morning, friends. I hope that you're doing well. I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you were able to get outside yesterday. It's such a beautiful day. Just make sure that when you're outside, you're keeping your distance from people that aren't in your immediate family and that live with you, right? It's still important to keep that distance between you and them, okay? Just to make sure that you're safe, because I don't want you guys getting sick at all right? Or having anybody sick around you, all right? So let's keep doing a good job of keeping our distance, all right? Today, we are just reading a book. This has tons of information in it. I also don't want to keep adding more and more writing to your workload. So today, we're just going to read a book, all right? Just sit back and relax and enjoy this book. It has tons of information, beautiful pictures. And then once again, this is from American Reading Company for moms and dads. You can find this app on the computer or on your tablet. Okay, so trees, here we go. This is a tree. Look at this beautiful tree in the middle of what appears to be almost like right on the border of the ocean, right? Wow. These are all trees. Taking this picture. Look at all these beautiful trees. Some trees are little. Some trees are big. Imagine that. A huge, huge tree, a redwood. Those are redwoods, right? Or sequoias, I believe. Tree parts: flowers, leaves, bark, trunk, branches, roots. These are the parts of a tree. Okay? So this book is going to put together a lot of the things we've been reading about and writing about. All these trees have roots. The roots go into the ground, right? So yesterday's books talked about the roots. Many trees have roots you can't see. The roots are under the ground. Some trees have roots you can see. Look at this. Whoa, look at this tree. It's like climbing up a building. Bet you that tree's been there for years and years and years and years. Look at this wild trees. Roots are like feet. Roots help a tree stand up. So if you should stand up right now and see what your feet do. What do your feet do? Oh, your feet kind of make you balance, right? Keep you standing straight up, right? If a tree didn't have roots, it would fall down. So look at this massive, massive root system. And look at these. These roots didn't seem to go deep enough. When it rains, water goes down into the ground. The roots take the water from the ground to the rest of the tree. So we learned that already, right? So the roots are how important the roots are. Trees have bark. So your naturalist and your writer in residence told you to touch a tree if you can. So if you couldn't get outside and touch a tree, these are some visuals of tree barks to help you. Bark is like skin for the tree. It keeps the tree safe. So notice that the skin keeps this elephant safe. Feel your skin keeps your body safe, right? All trees have leaves. Some leaves look like this. Some leaves look like this. Wow, so many different types of leaves. Look at this one. Look at all these. And look at all these different types. Now, this is the super science part, right? This is called photosynthesis, okay? It's just a super fancy word for what a tree does, right? And what a tree does is pretty impressive. Well, let me read you the sentence, and then we'll talk about it. Leaves turn light from the sun into food for the rest of the tree. Leaves make clean air for us to breathe. So the sun goes to the tree. The tree takes that energy from the sun, and it takes CO2, right? This other like air that it's like kind of an air or like air-like substance, and it turns it into oxygen for us to breathe, right? Ooh, and then you take a deep breath, and that's fresh air, right? And so H2O is a fancy a chemistry compound for water, right? So this is a super hard book. Don't worry about it though, we'll get through it together. Tree life cycles. cycle. All trees have seeds. All of these are tree seeds. So all these are seeds. Huh, that's interesting. Pistachio is a seed. Acorn's a seed. A walnut's a seed. This is a seed. I have no idea what kind of seed that is. We saw that in a book a couple days ago, though, in an apple seed. Seeds. Some trees make fruit. There are seeds in the fruit. Okay. Some trees make nuts. There is one seed in each nut. Wow. Some trees make cones. There are seeds in the cones. The seeds fall on the ground. A new tree will come up out of the seed. So look, a sprout into a sapling, right? Seed, sprout, sapling. Why we need trees? Oh, we know this one already. Animals need trees, right? Many animals live in trees. Animals eat the seeds, nuts, fruits, leaves, and bark of the tree. Wow. People need trees. We eat the fruit and the nuts trees make. Oh, yeah, we totally do. I wonder what your favorite fruit is. You know, I love apples and bananas. Those are like my favorite fruits. We breathe the clean air trees make. We make houses out of trees. Oh, wow. So this turned into lumber. Lumber turned into wood planks, and then that goes up into a tree. We make all these out of trees. Toilet paper, furniture, pencils, blocks, boats, skateboards, guitars, mugs, and dishes. Wow, you can make a lot out of trees. I wonder what we would do if we had no trees. To make all these things, we have to cut down the trees. Ooh, well, that's probably not good, right? When we cut down trees, we need to plant new ones. Let's make sure we don't run out of trees. Oh, that's a good thing. All right, friends, that's the end of the book. Today, we're just reading for information. Whoa, my hair's wild. I need to get a haircut. Hopefully, the barber opens up soon. So just make sure that you're being safe. We're just reading the book. If you want to go through it again, you could do it on your own in the video, or you could read it on American Reading Company, okay? So I hope that you're doing well, and I hope this video finds you well. Goodbye.